Bruins 3, kind of a lengthy question here. Talking about the IRS denying their tax refund because their employer didn't report Bruins withholding to the IRS. Let's get into it. Long story short, for 2023, my claim for a refund was denied, which I ultimately found out was because my employer didn't report my tax withholding to the IRS. Instead of receiving a $5,000 refund, they are now claiming I owe over $25,000 of taxes and penalties. That kind of makes sense. Sounds like you had maybe $30,000 of federal income tax withheld by your employer. The IRS isn't giving you credit for, apparently. They say they work for a reputable company, and honestly, it was just because of the Dumbo. Let's maybe redact the last 4 letters of that word if we can. That runs the accounting department. They've since corrected it, verified with W-2 transcripts, and I'm in the process of appealing. But because of how long this has dragged out, I just received a letter from the IRS stating they would begin the collection/lien process. Has this happened with anyone, and how difficult is it to sort out? Do I have any recourse against my employer? Side note, the latest notice I received from the IRS says, as of June 30th, 2025, we have not received payment. It is June 28th today. So that is infuriating in itself. Bruins, there is recourse here. And let me just say this straight out. Even, believe it or not, even if your employer, even if they withheld the taxes from your paycheck and they didn't remit it to the IRS, you still get credit for those withholdings, or at least you should. So as you surmise, this sounds like some kind of failure to properly report payroll to the IRS issue. I'm wondering if they even filed your W-2 with the IRS. Because if they filed your W-2 with the IRS that showed the $30,000 of federal income tax withholding there shouldn't be any mismatch issue at the IRS. So unfortunately, though, it sounds like your employer made some kind of a mistake, as you're well aware. The good news is, though, the IRS shouldn't be able to take collection action against you for this. If you do receive, if it gets to the point where you're still fighting this, and it still hasn't been, figured out, and the IRS sends you the final notice of intent to levy with your right to a hearing via certified mail, at that point, within 30 days of that notice, you absolutely must request a collection due process hearing. And at that hearing, you must explain your situation to the appeals officer at that hearing. I would present all the documents you have, present your pay stubs, present your W-2, present your tax return showing, look, everything I reported on my tax return was consistent with my pay stubs throughout the year for my employer and with the W-2 that my employer furnished me in January. When that happens, the appeals officer, if they have any decent head on their shoulder, should be able to see to it that you are not levied and no forcible collection action is taken against you by the IRS for this situation. It's unfortunate, but this is the way it is, that you have to deal with this because your employer is, I don't know if it's just laziness or ignorance, or I don't know what exactly is going on there. But suffice it to say, you should not be levied over this by the IRS, and they should not be able to take forced collection action against you. However, in order to prevent that, you do have to kind of put up the shield appropriately, as I just described. Yeah, payroll issues are tough. They're tough enough when the employer doesn't pay the payroll taxes, and when they don't even file the payroll tax returns or even issue their employees W-2s or file the W-2s with the IRS. That's an even more of a headache of an issue. So I hope this gets squared away from you soon. I am sorry this happened to you. Unfortunately, some people in business maybe shouldn't be in business, but that's for another day. Folks, if you owe the IRS at least $10,000 or more in back taxes, or your state, or you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Go ahead, give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you. I have some other videos about payroll tax-related matters on the side of the screen for your education and for your enjoyment. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.